Fully Automatic Tape Dispenser. Open the upper guide component of the machine. Place the tape roll properly in the designated position. Unroll the tape and align it to the tape outlet. Secure the tape by closing the upper guide component. Lock the tape in position by pressing the side locking key. Attach the cable connector and switch on the machine. Click the button and adjust the length of tape to be dispensed. Press the start button, the tape of preset length will begin to feed out. This operation is part of the manual mode. Stick the tape firmly onto the box to seal it. Click on the automatic mode button. Dispenser releases tape at preset intervals. It automatically dispenses a strip every few seconds. Automatically cuts tape to preset lengths, increasing packaging speed and efficiency.